The future of Samsung is here. Forget the Galaxy S25 series for a moment because Samsung is working on their craziest, riskiest, most premium Galaxy flagship device ever made. After years of planning, it is finally coming, Samsung Galaxy G, along with this as expected. The Galaxy G sounds particularly fascinating. A tri-folding smartphone with a 10-inch unfolded display? That's a major leap forward in smartphone design, offering a completely new multitasking experience. The idea of having three separate screens for apps like a gallery, YouTube, and home screen at the same time could really change the way we interact with our devices. It's bold, and with software optimization from Samsung, it could really set a new standard. The price point, though, around $2,500, might make it more of a niche product. But considering how much technology is packed into this, it could attract early adopters and those willing to pay a premium for cutting-edge tech. Then there's the Galaxy Z Fold 7, the new hinge technology that eliminates creases and the upgraded 200-megapixel camera, similar to the S25 Ultras, sound like they're going to elevate the foldable experience to the next level. This could be the ultimate device for anyone who wants power and portability combined in a single foldable. Finally, the Galaxy A56 with design changes echoing the S25 series looks like Samsung is bringing a more premium feel to their mid-range devices, which will likely appeal to a wider audience. It's exciting to see how Samsung is pushing boundaries in both design and functionality with these devices. Are you considering upgrading to one of these new models? Which one are you most excited about? So if you like my video, give a thumbs up and subscribe.